Hey, it's Jo Cordell Cooper here. I'm a holistic personal trainer based in Hobart, Tasmania, and I've put together for you some little home workouts. So we're using 5 base moves: the squats, lunges, deadlifts, push-ups and core exercises. And if you download my little free guide in Facebook group Holistic Personal Training, that and these videos will give you something to go on with at home. So it's pitched at beginner level. So if you're a bit of an exerciser, these are going to be pretty easy for you. But they're simple to perform and yeah, enjoy. So the first one is just a basic squat. So feet shoulder width apart, and keep your heels down. I see people lifting heels all the time. And just stick your bum back and go to sit down and stand up. And just repeat that, and that's a squat. Easy as that. So to add some variation to that, we might take the toes out like that and just sink and stand. Once again, the heels are down. And just find out what's comfy for you. Toes out, toes in. Toes out gets much more into the groin, and that's why we do that. Now to add another variation, we're going to use a little bit of a step. It can be just a step that on the side of your house or something, where you got one foot elevated and one foot down. And once again, sink and stand like that. Okay, so you would do maybe 8 on the left with the left leg up and 8 with the right leg up. Another little version might be that you come up on your toes and sink and stand. Can you hear my neighbour? She's walking a dog. He's being naughty. He's after my chickens. Okay, so that's another little version there. And one more is just including some hand weights. I like to put things together so it's a bit more time efficient. So we add a bicep curl and a press. So when everything goes down, hands down, come up, press up. Just like that. Nice and simple. So if you're just starting out, 3 kilos, that's what these are, will probably be enough. And if you're a little bit strong, 4 or 5 kilos, if you're very strong, you know what you're doing. I'm just going to go side on with that one. Squat, bicep curl, press. So the arms are going forward of my eyes. Okay, we don't want pressing up too far overhead because it just puts straight on your shoulder. So I hope you find those variations useful. There are many other ways to do squats, but those ones are safe as houses. So there's a start for you.